In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TikTok Lite app on Android. If you want the TikTok experience without using much storage or data, TikTok Lite is a great choice. It's a smaller, faster version of the app that's designed for phones with limited space and slower connections. The download is typically around 9 to 13 megabytes. It works well even on 2G or 3G networks, and it's optimized to save mobile data while you watch. It also runs smoothly on low-end Android devices, so you get the fun without the lag. We'll use the official and easiest method, the Google Play Store. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you have an internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data both work, and that your device has a little free space available. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type TikTok Lite. When the results appear, look for the official TikTok Lite listing. A quick tip here, choose the app from the verified TikTok developer to ensure you're getting the legitimate version. If you see lookalike apps, skip those and stick with the official one so you get the safest, most up-to-date experience. Once you've opened the TikTok Lite page, tap Install. The app is small, so it should download quickly, even on a slower connection. You might see a brief permissions prompt. This is standard for most apps. Keep an eye on the progress bar. If your connection is a bit slow, just give it a moment. Because TikTok Lite is built to be lightweight, it won't take up much space or consume a lot of data during the download. After the installation completes, tap Open. That's it. You now have TikTok Lite on your Android device. You can also find it anytime in your app drawer. From here, you're ready to start exploring short videos with a smoother, data-friendly experience tailored for lighter devices and slower networks. If you ever run into issues, double-check your internet connection, make sure you're signed in to the Play Store, and confirm there's enough storage for the install. Keeping your Android system updated can also help the Play Store run smoothly. To recap, open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok Lite, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and then tap Open. Enjoy the smaller download, data savings, and smooth performance that TikTok Lite delivers. Thanks for watching, and have fun with your